Okie doke. We have 2 more pages to get through, and the first one is Journey North. So when you come to the first page of Journey North, it shows you all of these different items. Most of them deal with migration and seasons. It's most well known for the monarch butterflies. You can report sightings, you can view maps. So let's just scroll down and see what all they have as an option here. So all of these different birds, you can talk about the climate. There's just any number of things you can play with this. So we're going to look at maps. So spring of 2018, this is showing, robins, earthworms, all of those things. You could look at past sightings, all of the sightings in different places. One of the things that I actually pulled up was the sunlight and seasons map, and that is the day length. So when you look at that one, I actually think it's kind of cool. You could have your students you could do some graphing of, okay, this particular spot right here, we have how many hours of sunlight. So it's having them make a connection between what the data tables say and what the map is actually showing. You can translate, you can move around and change to, all right, let's look at September 22nd in that exact same spot right there. Having them ask questions. Oh, wow, okay. Well, we know that here it's 14 hours or more of daylight. What can we guess about what's further up? We could go further back to, let's just keep going. What about June? What is it going to look like then? Only one place put in information, but you can connect the rotation of the Earth. You can connect the seasons through this particular map. All right. So the next one we go to is number 6, Cabinet of Curiosities. And this one can integrate a lot of different topics. Annenberg Learner can be social studies, math, as well as science. All right. So Cabinet of Curiosities. There's a book by that name that's really kind of cool. Anyway, so when we come to this page, if I make it a little larger, it has, I lost my mouse, categories. You can choose from them from the side. So let's just look at engineering, see what they have for engineering. It goes into what different people do, different jobs, which I think for some of your students would be really interesting. It would give you that connection to career day, any number of those things. So let's go back to the beginning. So I want to look at biology. And in biology, it gives some interesting facts. They can look things up. So you are basically able to decide how you want to approach using these web pages. It's up to you, but this is just kind of an introduction into how they all work.